Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes and of Bubble Babes University. In this video, we are making peach cobbler scoopable wax melts. This is cake week. I am going to hopefully release one new video every day of this week. Tomorrow is going to be red velvet. It will not be a scoopable wax, but it will be a wax melt. And every day from there on out for my House of Wax collection that is going to be released on bubblebabes.com. All the information will be down below in the description box. And while I got you here, please like, comment, and subscribe and share the video and turn on the notifications bell. I think I caught you all up. So let's get into the video. What I'm doing here is I am cutting peach embeds and they are scented. I'm using 6028 wax. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit them real fast, moving my heat gun back and forth, not leaving it on one space too long, just to soften where I have the cut edges so that it can look like juicy peach chunks. And that's what it looks like. Next, I'm going to prepare my wax cake crumble, and I just use some bronze mica along with a little tiny dot of liquid brown colorant. Next time, I'm going to try some a little more yellow or more of an orange tone because I didn't like the color, or make it more chocolatey, I'm not sure. But just to give it the color that I want, because when it dried down, it wasn't exactly the color that I wanted, but it wasn't bad, but I would have liked it to be a little bit more golden. So I'm just going to do the same technique that I showed you yesterday in the previous video on doing the wax crumble. This one I actually let solidify a little bit more. The one yesterday, it was a little before ready. So it crumbled a little differently, but this still does the same thing. But did you see how sliceable that was? Okay, so now I'm just going to assemble the peach cobbler. And again, I'm hitting it with the heat gun so that I could soften up the peaches. I was going to call them strawberries. Why was I going to call them strawberries? So I can soften up the peaches because I want them to have that like glossy, soft look. I don't want it to look like I chopped wax and put it in there. I want it to look as realistic as it can be. I'm going to add my cake crumbles to the bottom, and I'm going to add some little peaches in there. If you would like to learn how to make the scoopable wax frosting that I use in this video, I learned that from DC of Charisma's Candle Bakery, and she actually had a free workshop for the Honor Society. So if you have not yet joined the Honor Society, and that's bubblebabesuniversity.com, and that is BABEZ university.com. It's an all access membership. You can go ahead on in there and join, and you'll be able to take all kinds of free classes. But yeah, she taught us how to make scoopable wax for free in the Honor Society. So if you want to learn how to make scoopable wax, she has classes herself, and I will put all of her information down below in the description box as well. Tell her we sent you over there. And now you guys enjoy the video. Well, not enjoy it because I done spoke through most of it, but I guess just watch the aesthetic of me finishing up the peach cobbler. Tomorrow we are going to do red velvet, and I can't wait for that. And they're going to be little miniature cakes. So it's going to be super cute, but it's not going to be scoopable. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Follow us on all social media. That's Bubble Babes University on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you would like to follow us on TikTok, we are just Bubble Babes on TikTok. So with that being said, I know I said enjoy the video already, but enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And if you would like to purchase this or any of the wax creations for the new collection that I'm doing for bubblebabes.com, it will be released on August 21st, and we will have a live launch party. And I will also put in the description box how to even get in on the launch party, because we're going to have like VIP grab bags, gift bags, goodie bags, you know, that type of thing. It's going to be amazing. So thank you guys again a million times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And tell all your friends to come on over and subscribe to this channel because it's popping over here, and we trying to make it to 20,000, right? Yes, 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 and yes. Okay, you guys, I am so done doing this right now because I done said bye to you like a million times, right? Thank you so much again. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.